Pancakes. Just saying the word conjures up golden brown stacks, butter melting, syrup dripping, the aroma, the sizzle, breakfast magic in the making. At its core, a pancake is simple flour, eggs, milk, a leavening agent. But with heat, that humble batter transforms into something light, fluffy, and irresistible. Around the world, you'll find pancake cousins, crepes, blini, injera. But the American pancake stands tall, literally and figuratively. This isn't just a recipe, it's a story. Pancakes have mirrored America's journey, evolving from colonial hearths to modern diners. They've soaked up influences, adapted, and become a delicious historical document. So grab your fork and coffee. We're about to flip through the pages of pancake history. How did this breakfast icon rise to fame? What twists and turns shaped its recipe? Prepare to learn, to crave, and to be amazed. This is more than breakfast. It's a culinary adventure. Ready? Let's dig in. Let the pancake journey begin. Let's journey back to colonial America, where kitchens glowed with firelight and the scent of griddled batter filled the air. Early settlers arrived with memories of old-world griddle cakes, simple recipes passed down through generations, made on heavy iron pans over open hearths. Hoe cakes and johnny cakes, cornmeal patties crisped in bacon fat, became daily fare, especially in the hands of resourceful cooks. These were basic, hearty foods, fuel for long days of labor, survival on the frontier, and the heart of many a colonial breakfast. Native Americans had their own corn-based flatbreads like nokake and ash cakes, baked in the embers or on hot stones. They generously shared their knowledge of corn and cooking, teaching settlers how to use local grains and new techniques. Cornmeal soon became a staple, shaping early American cooking and giving rise to countless pancake variations across the colonies. Pancakes then were simple, just coarse flour or cornmeal, a pinch of salt, and whatever else was on hand. If eggs were available, they were added for richness. Milk or water stretched the batter, and sometimes buttermilk gave a tangy lift. Milk was a luxury, so water was often used. Buttermilk left from churning butter was prized for making cakes tender. Leavening came from natural fermentation, letting batter rest overnight, or from pearl ash, an early baking powder made from wood ashes. Pearl ash, a forerunner to modern baking soda, helped pancakes puff up, even before chemical leaveners were common. These cakes were cooked on hearthstones or in cast-iron skillets over glowing coals, rustic, filling, and made with whatever was at hand. The result was hearty and satisfying, perfect for families gathered around the morning fire. These early pancakes were denser, less sweet, and often much larger than the ones we know today, built to fuel hard work from dawn to dusk. They were designed to fill bellies and provide energy for a day in the fields or at the hearth. Within these humble beginnings, the foundation for the American pancake was set, born of necessity, shaped by ingenuity. The journey from these rustic cakes to today's fluffy stacks is a story of adaptation, resourcefulness, and changing tastes. Early pancakes were practical, but they brought comfort and warmth to the table, seeds of something special sown in every batch. The American pancake's evolution had begun, rising with each new ingredient and every generation's touch. From necessity to tradition, pancakes became a beloved staple, shared at family tables and community gatherings. And their transformation was just getting started as America itself continued to grow and change. Let's see how this humble cake would rise from the ashes, literally and figuratively, into a national icon. As America expanded west, pancakes traveled too, quick, portable, and comforting for pioneers. On the frontier, flour, water, and a bit of grease made a meal over open fires. During the Civil War, soldiers made slapjacks or flapjacks, simple, hot, and a welcome break from hardtack. After the war, American cooking refined, and so did pancakes. The arrival of baking soda and powder was a game-changer, making pancakes lighter and fluffier. No more relying on unpredictable yeasts. Now, pancakes could truly rise. Cookbooks began featuring more sophisticated recipes, closer to what we know today. Sweeteners and different flours entered the mix, making pancakes more indulgent. Pancakes shifted from pure sustenance to a delightful treat. The stage was set for a breakfast revolution. The humble pancake was about to become a star. Innovation was heating up, and breakfast would never be the same. The next chapter, convenience and mass appeal. Pancakes were ready for their big break. Let's see how they took America by storm. The late 1800s brought industrialization and a hunger for convenience. Enter Chris Rutt and Charles Underwood, who in 1889 launched Aunt Jemima Original Pancake Flour, the world's first ready-mix food. Suddenly, pancakes were as easy as adding water. This innovation made pancakes accessible to everyone regardless of skill or time. The branding, though problematic, was effective, and Aunt Jemima became a household name. Boxed mix democratized pancakes, no family recipe required. Anyone could make a fluffy stack any day of the week. Consistency and ease fueled its popularity. Pancakes shifted from special occasion fare to an everyday staple. The ready mix revolutionized breakfast, cementing pancakes as a national favorite. It was a turning point, pancakes for the masses. The mix took the guesswork out and America ate it up. Pancakes were now a symbol of modern convenience. The next stop, diners and pancake houses. Pancakes were about to go mainstream. The 20th century saw the rise of the American diner. Chrome, quick, and comforting. Pancakes became a diner staple, served hot and fast, often all day. Diners perfected the short stack, golden, fluffy, butter-topped, and drenched in syrup. This became the iconic American pancake image. For many, diner pancakes are the stuff of nostalgia. Pancake houses like IHOP took things further, offering endless varieties and toppings. Pancakes became the star, not just a side. Diners and pancake houses made pancakes a public delight, not just a home-cooked treat. Pancakes became synonymous with comfort, family, and weekend breakfasts. The pancake was now a cultural icon, served with a smile and a bottomless cup of coffee. From home kitchens to bustling diners, pancakes united America. The love affair was official, and the pancake story kept evolving. America's diversity shaped its pancakes. Immigrants brought crepes, blini, pfannkuchen, each adding new flavors and techniques. The American pancake absorbed these influences, becoming a true melting pot. New spices, flours, and textures found their way into the batter. Pancakes became a canvas for creativity. Blueberries, chocolate chips, bananas, nuts, even savory twists. Regional variations flourished. Maple syrup in New England, sweet potatoes in the South. Toppings ranged from fruit compotes to fried chicken. The core idea stayed the same, a quick bread on a griddle, but the possibilities became endless. Pancakes reflected local tastes and global inspiration. The boxed mix didn't stop innovation, it sparked it. Pancakes became more versatile, more inclusive, more fun. Every region, every family, every cook could make it their own. The pancake's adaptability is its secret weapon. It's a dish that welcomes change and tastes better for it. That's why pancakes endure. Here we are in 2025, after centuries of flipping, stacking, and innovating. The American pancake has gone from survival food to cultural icon. It's comfort, simplicity, and a little indulgence, all in one bite. That first forkful, dripping with syrup, is pure joy. Pancakes are a taste of home, of childhood, of happiness. Today, pancakes are more diverse than ever. Whole wheat, oat, protein-packed, gluten-free, vegan. Yet the soul of the pancake remains, warm, fluffy, and endlessly adaptable. Next time you flip a pancake, remember you're making history. It's more than breakfast. It's a tradition, a comfort, a creative canvas. Pancakes are a testament to ingenuity and the joy of sharing good food. They've been flipping awesome for centuries and will be for many more. So pour the syrup, grab a fork, and celebrate the pancake's legacy. The story continues with every stack. And if you're hungry now, you're not alone. Seconds, anyone?